Hi, this phone is giving me problems.
Centrum Adults 50 Plus provides nutrients to support memory and cognition. Three clinical studies show that Centrum Adults 50 Plus supports memory in older adults. Try it now.
If I can be loud enough, I think I could bring that up. These U.S. soccer fans are so passionate. Hey, this phone is giving me problems. I figured it out though. I don't know why YouTube does this. When you're trying to start a live stream, on the right hand side of the phone, it tells you if you want to stream vertically or horizontally. I don't understand. Why is that a toggle I have to go in there and touch and change? Like, why can't I just turn the phone and it's gonna switch to the orientation that I need? Like, I have to press a button to switch it and put it specifically to the orientation I wanted. That, like, I don't know. It's so stupid. It took 3 tries to figure out that was the issue, but here we go. We are here, guys. Thank you everyone for joining. We had a bit of a technical difficulty, but hopefully everyone can join. Well, I mean, we got plenty of people who are joining compared to when we first started. We were at 30 people who joined in the first attempt. Now we are at 68. I'm going to set up a couple of moderators.